Good day, everybody. Jason with Learns 5. Today I want to talk about mess kit and cook kits. There's different ones on the market. You've got everything from the Boy Scout style little frying pan with a little pot, and the frying pan lid doubles as your plate, and a little bowl and a plastic mug that you can get anywhere. Walmart has stainless steel ones for $5. Aluminum Coleman's 5, 6, $7 in there somewhere. You've got the Stanley Adventure pot set with the two nesting cups. That runs you $16 to $20. And then by the time you purchase a way to carry it, if you don't want to carry it in your backpack or bag all the time, another $20. UTS, by the time you buy each little component and put it together, if you want to stick with that brand totally, you're looking at about 38, $40. So putting one of these together can get a little bit high. But there is an affordable option. And this option is not only affordable, it is also good for somebody that's just getting started because you're getting a lot for the money. So let's say you're just getting started in prepping and survival. You don't have anything yet. If you bought this, you kind of eliminated a lot of the things. And right here, what we have is the Serbian, Yugoslavian, Croatian mess kit, cook kit. Now, there's two types. There's one that runs about $16 that does not have the silverware in it. If you get the one that has the silverware in it, you're going to be looking at $20. So here's what you get for $20 and under. You get the mess kit and this canvas pouch. What's included in the mess kit? You get a bowl, you get a canteen, you get a cup, and you get roughly about a 2 millimeter thick, probably about 4 inches high by 4 inches wide aluminum cook pot. You can see all the scratches in mine. It's been well used. I had this for years and I love it. Like all the European type cook sets, your bowl hooks onto your pot. So if you're in a field mess hall, you can get your main dish, your side dish, and just kind of carry it like that. Another option you have with this is if you don't need the canteen, you can take this and I can fit my Ace Camp small Esbit stove, a UST collapsible silicone cup in its case, and a baggie that I have a couple Lipton cups of soup, a packet of instant oatmeal, 3 packets of instant coffee, 2 or 3 tea bags, 2 packets of energy drinks, and 3 packets of Pedialyte oral rehydration solution that all fit in this bottom pot. Now you still got this top piece here that you can pack stuff in the baggies and stack it up in there and it'll hold. And put it all together. If you're like me, you've got a quart canteen and a 2-quart canteen of water on you. And you've got everything, food wise and cooking wise in this little kit. Now this may not be the smallest kit, but if you don't use the canteen and you pack it and stuff like I told you, then it seems like a very compact kit for all that you're carrying. And it would eliminate and free up a lot of space in a bag. I've had this for probably about 4 or 5 years. I've used it a lot. I like it. I can't say anything bad about it. It works, and it's a great value. You know, even if you don't, if you want to carry the canteen with water, and this is just going to be your water for cooking your meal, you can do that too. But then you lose all that space in there to carry stuff. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video and I will talk to you guys later. Take care of yourselves.